This episode is brought to you by Banggood. They sent me this for review, so check out the link in the description if you want to take your chance at building this sketchy cobble of parts.
Oh, that's exciting. That's exciting. These are steps, okay. Oh yes. Guess what? No instructions.
Alright, so these are all the parts. You can see my face? No. So these are all the parts. My 3D scanner. They were printed in China using PLA or maybe ABS. ABS probably, but not the craziest of quality. So what can you do? You know what I'm saying? Came with the calibration paper. I'm probably gonna have to mount this other piece of acrylic here. This is probably what holds that piece of acrylic. I'm assuming this is all me guessing because there's no instructions. So I'm gonna have to go on the old internet streams there, the intertube or whatever. I'm gonna have to figure out what to bing. So I'm gonna bing some kind of instruction manual. Print it out. That's the plan on this episode of kpopRC. Let's see if we can scan something by the end of this episode, huh? That'd be kind of awesome. That'd be kind of cool. Alright, alright. Yo, welcome to kpopRC, the channel where I make sick videos of scale models. Pretty much anything that's got a remote, so join me while I drain my wallet and build the most crazy, big, scale, sometimes outlandish RC projects out there. So, sub up for giveaways and sick-ass RC content. Sometimes there's fire. Sometimes. Okay, let's see if we can find these 3D printer scan. Oh my god, scan instructions. Holy fuck, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, yes, I have this piece. Makes sense, makes sense? Yes. How are you supposed to know how? Okay, this is like a portal puzzle. Okay, yeah, you gotta drop these nuts. I can see registering those nuts being a fuck. Okay, that's weird. Alright, I kind of fear for myself a little bit. I don't know if this is gonna be that easy. And then, yeah, sure. And then the whole thing comes down. There you go. Alright, this should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's get to it.
It's down in here.
Ciclop is an open source 3D laser scanner with a rotating platform. It has been developed from scratch by BQ and released to the community under Creative Commons.
Oh, this is jank. Okay, let's stop this. This is taking too long. I got you. Well, for now, I can tighten these the plastic nuts, which I don't want to do with a wrench because I think I'll just strip it. I think I can probably strip it with my finger. Turn this. Okay. Good. Okay, so there's my plate with the big bearing. That's pretty sweet. Okay. Okay, so
What?
okay. Ha. That's it.
BFH.
Let's try.
Yep, it's there.
I should put them on first. That would have been smart. Check this out. Second one, pre-threading. It's gonna take me 4 to figure this out. I have to thread all the way. This is dumb. Oh. Let's hope. Jeez. Next job. I don't like it.
Alright, so I finished building the 3D scanner. That's all plugged into my computer. But now I don't know if the Arduino is preloaded with any software, so I think I have to program this thing. And I also don't know if these lengths are correct. The distance from the lasers to the webcam, or from the base to the platform. I don't know if that is the correct length. Yeah, so I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna see if I can calibrate it. I kind of guesstimated. I can't seem to find numbers anywhere. So I guess let's see how long it takes. Just when I thought I was close to being done this project, I realized that I've barely just begun. Let's see if we can make something scan. Yo, so I was super pissy because I can't seem to get any performance out of this goddamn thing. But I think I figured out maybe why it's not doing so well. And I'm just gonna have to focus the webcam, because the webcam is focused for like 3 feet, not like 1 foot. So gotta refocus. Well, at least we figured it out, you know? Oh, got it. There you go. Alright. Now we can calibrate it again, right? I guess. I gotta get this thing working better. Yeah. It's so wavy, it's like wavy. I gotta glue this down somehow. How shitty that is. It really doesn't work. It works really bad. Great. Well, yeah, I guess it's getting there. The lighting is not correct. Maybe now. It's still not really that sharp. So that didn't work at all. So how is that? That. It used to work okay. It doesn't work at all. It works by flashing 2 lasers on either side of the object as the camera captures the profile they both draw on either side of the object being scanned. The platform then rotates 200 steps. For every one of those steps, the camera captures 2 profiles, creating a pile of slices, thousands of points. This is then extrapolated into a 3D mesh. It should work very well. Keyword is should. I'm so frustrated. I think you make some progress, and then it just quits working altogether. You know, it's just not even spinning. I don't know what happened, but I can't seem to get it to calibrate properly. And I don't know if that's because of the shitty lasers. It's just a quality problem because they're not bright enough. Because I have pretty decent, LED lights that I can dim. So I can get a pretty soft light out of them. If any of you people know decent 3D scanners, maybe $1,000 range, I guess. Let a brother know, because this cheap one that Gearbus sent me, no good. I guess I should sign off. That's it for this episode of kpopRC. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know if you know of any wicked 3D scanners. Be wicked. Just spread the love, spread the info. Because this one, what a waste, Anyway, did come with a pretty sweet bearing, so at least there's that. Anyway, K-pop out. On the next
episode of kpopRC, we're back to the K-pop Kana. I introduce a new partner in crime sponsorship. Spoiler, it's Hobby Wing. Spoiler, discount code is K-pop Rocks. We build light buckets for that WRC Fiat monster. And all that and more on kpopRC.